Hello, I'm Karen Fairley, Executive Director of the Center for Safer Schools in the North Carolina Department of Public Instruction. October is National Bullying Prevention Month. Bullying is unwanted, aggressive behavior that involves a real or perceived power imbalance. Such behavior is repeated or has the potential to be repeated over time. Bullying online or cyberbullying is tough to contain, as anyone with a computer or smartphone and an internet connection can participate. Cyberbullying is especially emotionally challenging because it can invade a child's world 24/7, 365. The signature event of National Bullying Prevention Month is Unity Day, which is held on the third Wednesday of October. This year, it is Wednesday, October 16th. Unity Day is a call to action that we are united for kindness, acceptance, and inclusion. As we have in previous years, the Center for Safer Schools invites public school units to share photos of students and staff wearing orange, the color to acknowledge bullying awareness. If you would like us to share your Unity Day photos on our social media channels, please email them to cfss@dpi.nc.gov. The Center for Safer Schools has many resources to help bring awareness and move towards bullying prevention. Our student engagement team and regional school safety specialists are available both virtually and in person to support anti-bullying, anti-cyberbullying efforts, including Start with Hello programs and Save Promise clubs. Be sure to follow the Center for Safer Schools on social media to stay up to date with all the latest happenings, including Safe School Week this year, October 20th through the 26th. Thank you as we work together to keep our schools safer.